Okay, to demonstrate pending orders, we're going to use the Aussie US 1 hourly chart. And you can see this has been trading in a range over the last few hours. Let's put a line on there just to show you, with a top of around about 71.42 and a bottom around 71.20. So our trading idea is that if this comes up and breaks this line, there'll be an opportunity for a long trade. So we've got two choices. We can either keep checking in on the chart, or we can place what's called a pending order, which essentially is an advanced entry order. So what we'd want to do is to place it above this resistance level that we've marked on the chart. So to do that, we go into new order, and we need to change the market execution to pending order. Now, there are 4 types of pending order, which you can learn about in some of the courses that we run. But this particular order, where you're wanting the price to move higher from its current place, is called a buy stop order. So we're going to change that to buy stop order. And we're going to change the volume to 2 mini lots. And we're going to place it at 71.45. Okay, so that's 3 pips above that line there. We also can place a stop loss when we do this. So we're going to place a stop loss at 71.26. And we're going to place a take profit at 71.80. So essentially, we've automated every part of the trade, so the system can just do its work without us having to come and check in on the chart at a regular interval. And once we've got that all set up, we can just click on place. And there you'll see the trade set up. So there's our entry at that point. Here's our profit target at 71.80. And here's our stop loss at 71.27. If we want to adjust this slightly, we can. So if we thought, well, look, that's maybe being a bit ambitious, we can bring our profit target down a little bit and maybe just give it a little more wiggle room on the stop. So again, we can drag it and move it down to there. And that's our pending order setup. And you can see it arrive, the full order, in your terminal box below the account information. At any time, you can just cancel this order by simply clicking on the X at the end of the row. And one last thing, we would advise that you set up notifications using the MT4 or MT5 app, depending on which platform you're using, so that you get notified when you're in a trade. Process for using the other 3 types of pending order is exactly the same. So master the buy stop first and then test out on your demo platform the others.